So, I found this app. It has to do with Flatpak, and even if it only had its initial release, I promise you, you want it already. There might be a few bugs, like the UI may freeze sometimes, and some sizes may not be calculated correctly, such as on runtimes. It also crashes here and then, but I'll skip all those and show you already what makes this app so awesome. So, when we first launch it, it starts with our installed applications, and for every application we have two buttons: Remove and Info. On Info it shows things like the origin and the commits, and pretty much everything the Flatpak info command displays. But also we have a handy button to quickly open the data directory. But what makes it amazingly useful is the filter situation. First off, we can filter apps by a remote or even multiple remotes. Even better, we can switch between apps and runtimes, and apply. Okay, that apply lags now, and those UI freezes mostly happens to Python apps. Am I wrong? Anyway, the thing is that we can now search for the NVIDIA runtimes, and you see all those? If you're wondering what the hell is happening, it's happening a 3 to 4 years bug that Flatpak can't clean the 32-bit runtimes. Which is great in this case cause I can show you a super cool feature of Warehouse. Yep, we can select multiple items at once, and perform a nice and fast batch operation, which allow me to say that most developers are lazy to implement these days. So uninstall. And wait. And wait. And wait, and wait a bit more. Basically there is a UI thread lock, which is kinda common issue on early releases, but pretty sure the developer will figure it out and fix it. For now, I have to stop and resume. Okay, back, and uninstall was completed, I hope. Next. And it lags again? Alright, we're on. So, next, from menu we can see something. It is called orphan data, that I have no idea what it is. I think it's the cache of Flatpaks. I'm not sure, but definitely I want to remove the 8 gigs from Builder. Another thing is that we can manage our remotes, basically by removing them or adding new ones. I believe the only things missing is a way to list applications per platform, which is very useful to know. And so, that was everything. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.